How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily withdraw your money from your Phantom Wallet to your bank account. In order to do it, you first need to launch your Phantom mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now once you do this, on the home page you will be able to see your available balance that you have in your Phantom account. Over here, if you tap on the gear icon in the top left hand corner, you will be landed on this page where you will be able to see various types of settings. But over here, you will not be able to see any of the options that would help you to add your bank account in Phantom Wallet and withdraw your money directly from Phantom Wallet to bank account. It is because currently in the Phantom Wallet application there is no such option available. So in order to serve the purpose, you need to have any other exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, OKX, etc. I will put the link of best exchanges down in the description, so you can use that link and you can create your account on those exchanges. Afterwards, you just have to send your crypto, whether it is Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polygon, or any other crypto that you have in your Phantom Wallet to that particular exchange, and with the help of that exchange you will be able to withdraw your money in your bank account. As of right now, this is the only method that you can use in order to do it. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.